we're going to do an overview about the system. Again, starting from the left top corner, we have our icon to close or open our menu bar. Scrolling all the way down, doing one by one, click on dashboard. We can see our interaction with the dashboard. All our devices connected to our system, the alarms obtained, the reports per device, by time. We have active alarms with reports, the devices that are involved in this report. Going back, we can also interact with these devices one by one and see what's the status. Right now we know we have a moving false. We can configure this system temperature, change the icon for whatever icon we want to do, optimal range, the rules in case we want to do any active configuration. We can do some actions. We can do email notification. We can do SMS, text message, and web push. Going back to our dashboard, you can go back to my dashboard, facility dashboard. That is what's happening in your store, company. We have device dashboard that will talk one by one of each devices depending on your search. Can give more to see more information about this device. Now we have the EMAP. This is very interesting and unique feature. Let's use this as a parking lot, for example. I have two sensors on my parking lot saying what is available and what not. Once a car stops in this area, it will trigger the sensor telling me there's a car parked in that area. I can sense alarms, I can send notification as we saw previously. We can also see the status of the device and the connection. Going back to our EMAP, we can create multiple rooms with multiple configurations. Let's see, office space. You see down here some devices connected, current meter, air quality sensor, asset sensor, thermoscope sensor, and on and on. This is our gateway that connects all this together. In this case, I want to see, or I want to trigger an alarm or siren if I have a temperature triggered. Going back to our Me map, we keep scrolling down and we can see our list of devices all connected in our platform. Once again, we can make configurations upon these devices and changing icons, checking the range, and creating rules. One good example about a rule, if I have a burst pipe leaking, this will send a condition to close the valve by a second interface device. Going back to our menu, click on controls. We can do an automation values for shutting off or on, sirens, IR blasters, and beyond, lightings and valves. We can just confirm and tell this to be an automatic action without human interface. Now we scroll down a little bit further to facilities. In facilities, we can see our address, our company registered. If we have more than one place, we can put them all together in this here and just control them by different sites. Then we go to alarms. And alarms is where we glue all. What happened with each device and how can we fix it or retrieve it back, put it back online. And we have all the alarms, again, based on reporting. We decide the length of the time, what device, in this case, let's choose all of the devices, and let's generate a report. This will take a little bit of time. And we can see that we got our reports. We go up here, we can generate an Excel report or we can generate a PDF report. Continuing, we can go to our logs and find a specific report that we want to generate, doing exactly the same process as we did previously for the active alarms. So we generate our reports. We create real-time event reports and we can create compliance reports. On settings, we have the option to change the passwords and our profile. And this is it. Thanks for watching our overview of our IoT system.